Hello friends, this is Mehboob Sheikh from Purnima Automator, authorized distributor for Actual ORG. Let's see how to install the Actual ORG, and we'll go to the Google. Just type website name www.x-tool.org. Okay, now the website name arrive here. Just click on it and you will see the new windows, right? So many updates they are coming, right? So we have to go in support. There are many options are there, but first we need to install the software, so we'll go to the support. Then you will see such kind of the details. So for new updates, for new installation, who purchase the new one, so first we'll go for the Actual Setup 2020 all-in-one. Just click on it and it will here it will ask run or save. So we need to save it, right? So it will be updated, it will be downloaded to finish to 100%. Okay, now it's already downloaded, right? So we'll go to the view downloads where our file is already saved here. Just click on it. We'll go to the open folder. We'll check in open folder. Yeah, here is our setup, right? So I'm just going to cut and paste to main desktop so we can easily can understand this. So now we have actual setup here. So first we have to connect our hardware, the device, the main unit, and together with the USB cable and dongle. We require the dongle, this one, right? So you have to connect like this, one USB to the your system, computer or laptop, and the dongle here. Okay, now so now we are going to, okay, we already connected. Now we will click to setup. Okay, now this marking create a desktop shortcut. Okay, check it and next and install. Okay, this is for driver device driver installation, so you have to click next. So driver will be set up automatically to into your computer. Okay, so now would you like to install the new device software? Yes, of course, install. Right, so driver process has been finished, so you have to click to finished. Okay, so USB driver installation has been finished, so you just click to next, install the driver. You have to install it. Okay, next, it will be in progress, right? Completed, so finished. Okay, install. Okay, so now this is finished. Okay, again finished, right? So now we have the new icon here. So this icon, so first you have to connect all the device hardware and dongle USB already connected. This setup error, so both no problems. Just click on it, the X tool. Okay, cannot interface. It means something wrong inside the USB driver. Okay, let me check. If you are getting such kind of problem, so first we will open the this PC and go to the property and device manager. Okay, we'll check here. Okay, let me check with the reinstallation. Remove the USB cable, change the port. Here I changed the port and now it's ready. See the X tool, now it's connected, right? So just go back to the normal things, right? Click. So now this is attention, the warning. This developer shall not be liable for lawful use for the software equipments and all the things you can read. If you feel it is comfortable for you, you just click to I confirm and then it will be run, right? So after the first installation, it will be asked the confirm, would you like to install the updates? Yes, you have to click on the updates. So it will be the new website, it will be logging to website. Just minimize it, and now the installation will be started, right? So this device already updated, download complete, right? So now it's ready to use. Just you can check which kind of the updates you already got. So go to the updates, click activate, and you will see your hardware device number and the set license online. Just click on it, and here you can see it is updated with the Indian enable and update 2016 to 2021. You will get regular updates since till December 2021, right? So now we will check what the features it has. So first, airbag. It has the airbag calculators old. Let's check airbag calculator first. Once we will click, it will show many cars name here, many cars. For example, BMW. Just click on the BMW. So this is the IC number, this is MCU number, this is the EEPROM IC numbers. So you have to check the part number here. So suppose if you are getting such kind of the part number, you can see the IC number and just you have to remove it. But for this information, I will share the different videos with you. So right now we are just checking what features it has. So airbag calculators old. Just double click on it. It has the many old features as well. Okay. And another, this yellow folders, it means you can work with the OBD. No need to remove the modules from the car. So you can just connect to the OBD connector and you can play, right? So this can support to DCI SPC 560 Continental OBD. And like this Ford, there are many Ford features are there, like a Bosch Company's 2005, 2010, and the Ford Mac 7242, TC 222, 2017. Like this, we will see there are Mazda, Renault. In Renault, there is a new RH850. After 2017, you can update. You can work with the 2000 till 2021, right? So like this Smart, WAG, Volvo, and then the other features is car radio. In this car radio, there are codes, right? Radio codes, radio serial number, Opel, and many features are there. Like this dashboard. The dashboard, it has the dashboard calculator. Let's see. Okay, there are lots of the car. Hyundai. We like Maruti, we Indians. It has a very popular car in India. So we like Maruti, Mahindra. Okay, so these are the vehicle name and with the EEPROM IC numbers. So all details are here. We will see in next video, right? Okay, and then JCB. There are the commercial vehicle like a JCB, heavy commercial. Yes, this device also will support JCB as well, right? Then we'll go ahead, like Alfa Romeo, Audi, BMW, bike. There are many cars. Okay, so you can see Tata cars is very popular now. Worldwide, it has many demands, right? So okay, so this area for the dashboard. We'll go for the display. There are Volvo. There is many common fault is display error, display cut off, and so this device also will support to display 30, 40, 50, Max 71, 71116 OBD, and many other cars, right? Okay, like this ECU. So this device also support to the ECU, engine control unit. So EDC 17, MBD 17, CRC, and the ECU calculator it has. Once you will click it, you can see there are lots of the cars. So many cars has the EEPROM programming, mileage correction, mileage data inside of the ECU as well. So this device also will support to ECU calculation as well, right? So then the next option is the EEPROM. This is the EEPROM programmer, everyone knows the EEPROM programmers has like a 93C, 24 series, 995 series. So this will support to the individual inside of the actual org, right? So see how useful this device is. Okay, and then emulators. There are many emulators. Suppose we are going to dash Audi. Okay, just click it. So with the dashboard, it has the 4 connection. You can give the dash 4 connection, and once you will start, okay, so this device will help you to start the meter. Without the car, you can start this dash on the bench without the car, right? So it has many features. Like we'll go for the smart calculator, WAG, and Volvo, right? We'll see the 17 calculators. Yes, friend, this device also can useful for immobilizer off. If you don't want the key programming system, anti-theft system in your car, you can switch it to off, emo off. Yes, for these cars, the all details are here. For example, Hyundai Boss ADC 1708. So first we have to read this IC, and you have to save the data on the computer, and from here open the flash, and you can switch off to your car to emo off, right? We will see all details in next videos, right? So also the key programming, this company also working with the Mercedes-Benz infrared immobilizer system as well, but right now they are in pipeline, right? So also it has the MCU like Johnson Control, MOQ, JTAG details. It has PIC, Minda PIC 3 programmer also has Renesas, JTAG, UART, and the RL78 for bikes, suspension for S6J3. It has the MCU as well. Then SAS, the steering angle sensors. Now these days, after before 2 years, the steering angle sensors is very common things in the many new cars, right? So every time the steering angles, it has been locked. So yes, this device also can support the steering angle sensors, right? So it is common, like select the part number, select the EEPROMs, and work. Okay, and then steering column, the same. With this you can work on the OBD. With the steering column you can work OBD. Then tachograph is by type, right? Green and black. You can increase the right kilometers. It is useful for the old model cars. I think this kind of the cars no more in the market, right? And here the tools, it is not for, it is for the producer manufacturers, and it's for dealers to identify what is the problem inside of the test drive. This is test drive, not for the customers. Everything is okay here. So well, enjoy your actual ORG, and best of luck. And also we'll update the new videos to you once we are getting the new cars, and we will update to you. Okay, enjoy. Thank you.